So let's start. So here I have taken one MDF board piece. You can take according to your size. And now I will take two gear motors and I have soldered two wires on it. And I will attach the two gear motors here like this. So here I have stick these two gear motors. Now I will make one hole in the corner here of the gear motors. One hole here and one hole here. So I have made two holes here. Now I will take one motor driver. All the components links are in description. If you want to buy, you can buy from there. And now I will stick this motor driver here like this. So now I will take out this two wires of the motor from this and this hole and then attach on these two terminals. So here I have taken this wire from this hole and attached here on the motor driver. Now I will take one Arduino Uno and now we will program it. So first I will take this data cable of Arduino and I will attach this in this, and I will take one OTG and I will attach this on this. So now we can attach this on the mobile. So here I have opened one app, Arduino Droid. I will give you the download link in the description. Now I will click on three dots, go to settings, click on board type and then go to Arduino, and then we have to choose Arduino Uno. Now I will write the code. So here I have written the code. So now I will click on the compile button. So the compilation has started. So now compilation is finished. Now I will click on upload button. So now the code is uploaded. So now the coding is completed. Now I will attach this Arduino here. So now I have stick this Arduino here. Now I will take one HC05 Bluetooth module and I have connected jumper wires on the middle terminals, not on these two terminals, only on VCC, GND, TX and RX. And on VCC wire I have attached one jumper wire and made a cut on it. So now I will attach this Bluetooth module here like this. So we will stick this afterwards. Now I will take four jumper wires, male to female, and I will attach this on these two and these two terminals. So now we have to attach these wires on this 9, 10, 11 and 12 digital pins this side. So I have attached these wires on 9, 10, 11 and 12. Now I will take two more jumper wires and I will attach this jumper one wire on this 5 volt of the motor driver and one on the ground of the motor driver. So now I will connect this 5 volt pin on the 5 volt here and this GND pin on the GND here ground. So now I will take this Bluetooth module and we have to attach this GND wire in the GND of the Arduino. I will give you the circuit diagram so you can see on the screen. So now we have to connect this VCC wire on the 5 volt, but we have already attached one wire on 5 volt, this wire. So I will cut this wire. I have cut it before only, and then I will cut this wire also and then I will attach here. So I have cut this wire and attached this VCC wire here. So now it is also attached on 5 volt pin. So now these two pins are remaining of RX and TX. So here we have to attach this here. We have on TX we have to attach the pin of RX, and here on RX we have to attach the pin of TX, means we have to do cross connection. So now I will take two 9 volts battery and I will connect them in the parallel, means positive and positive together and negative together. So I have connected the battery in the parallel. So now I will attach two female jumper wires on the terminals here. So now I have connected these two jumper wires. So now we have to connect this red wire on the 9 volt here on the motor driver and black wire on the GND. There are two pins of GND. So now I have taken one more battery and I have attached this connector on it. So now we will attach this on the Arduino here. So you can see the light has glown on every board, Arduino also, motor driver and Bluetooth module also. So now I have attached this battery here and these two batteries here. Now I will take one front wheel and I will attach this here in the front. So I have attached this wheel here. Now I will take two wheels and I will attach this on the gear motors. So here I have attached wheels. Now it is ready. Now I will test and show you. So here you have to pair one device HC05. So you have to download one app, Bluetooth RC controller. I will give you the link in the description to download. And you have to open it and then click on the settings and then click on connect to car and then you have to choose HC05. So now this has become green, so the car is connected. So here I have connected it with the power bank because my 9 volt battery was not working properly. So now I will test and show you. So I have made some more Arduino projects. You can click on the video and watch that projects also.